Hey Josh, my name is Daniel Bug with Digital Vortex Media, and we're a marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area, and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot a quick video on three things you can do today to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste mine either. So if at the end of this video, you'd like to know more about how Digital Vortex Media can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is that you give me some feedback on this video if you don't mind. So let's get into it. The three things I want to show you today are content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. That's basically anything that you can see on your website, including what's behind the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as. So as we kind of see here, yours are kind of saved as links. We don't really have any pictures that are saved as. But if you had some pictures on there, you kind of want them saved as keywords like deck repair, Belton deck repair, Temple, Texas, kind of things like that, or remodeling services, any of those keywords that you have for your business. Um, Also, Google likes for a page to have about 1,500 words of content to be optimized for Google searches, and y'all have about 195-ish words on your website. So and the key thing here is making sure you have enough unique, relevant, high quality content on the homepage to add in those keywords or key phrases that people are searching for that are specific to your services in order to help you guys get found on Google. Otherwise, it's a very nice looking page. I would just recommend adding that content and kind of some more pictures and things like that. So the next thing that I want to show you is about citations. So you see here we have deck repair Temple, Texas searched. Y'all were in the number one spot for Belton. So I wanted to show you kind of an area of improvement. So I wanted to target Temple for this example. So the first thing you see are ads that people are paying Google to be on, but studies show the ads are only semi-effective and it can become a money pit if the ads aren't set up properly. And then the next thing is the Google Map. So typically you have this is organic traffic right here. Typically your organic traffic is under the Google Maps, but in some cases it's in the middle. But so with this Google Map pack for maps, on these results, you can see the business's name, address, and phone number or citations that get ranked on Google based on the directories that they're listed in. So y'all happen to be actually first in the Google Map pack, which is perfect, right? Um, So Dream Characters Construction is your number one competitor, and they're in the number two spot. But these citations are listed in directories, and so these directories could be like White Book, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, even Facebook has area where you can submit a citation. And so this tool called Whitespark can show me what citations you're using. So here you are, completely decked out with 11 citations, and these are some of the citations that you're using. So then Dreamcatchers Construction they actually have 14 citations, and these are some of the citations that they're using as well. Now, if the roles were reversed and they were in first and you were in second, I'd recommend some of these to submit for. But the key thing here to hold that first position is to kind of have 200 to 300 citations so that your competition can't sneak up on you and go past you. So the third thing that I want to go over is backlink. It's another important aspect of Google. And we call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. And you can see that, we search for the deck repair Temple, Texas, and your site is not number one. So your site doesn't really show up in this search. I kind of scrolled for a while and it is not really there. So your number one competition, I'm kind of just show you. So all of these are kind of um, essentially directories for lack of a better term, but these are kind of the directories. So your number one competition is actually right here. The Deck Builder, Texas Home Pros, or Home Remodeling and Painting. So to simply put it, link juice works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, and therefore site A is acting like the link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, um, you know, top 10 deck repair services or, top 10, kind of anything of that nature, um, linking back at you, that's a lot more effective than if you had a pizza place saying, yes, they did our back deck or, something like that, because Google doesn't see the relevance of pizzas or anything, outside of your services and your business, for example. So I want to show you this tool called Ahrefs, and it can tell me what backlinks you're using. So you have about 96 backlinks, 12 referring domains, 4 keywords, and 0 clicks of traffic. And so your competitor, the Texas Homes Remodeling and Paintings, they have less backlinks and no clicks of traffic, but you're still not really showing up on that Google search. So the key thing here is making sure you have those relevant backlinks that connect you. So we can kind of see what backlinks you're using and kind of make recommendations based on um, what's best for you. So you have like this in Belton, but you kind of have other cities there too, which is great. But that could be why you're not showing up for, um, you know, that temple location, and we can kind of assist with that as well. But essentially, in closing, with content, your front page needs to have about 1,500 words of content, adding in those more pictures and everything like that as well, and make sure those pictures are optimized. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition by a landslide. You're already in number one spot, so now it's just kind of a matter of holding that position. And the link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority, so that we can kind of duplicate your search results in Belton as you are in Temple and any other locations that you want to target. So if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And you can either go with this information that I provided you and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 254-669-1392. Once again, my name is Daniel Bug and my number is 254-669-1392. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.